So, hey guys, welcome back. And this is part 2 of creating an attendance taking application. There will be a one bad news and one good news for you. My previous application, I don't know why, but GitHub is remove that, and my uh, folder is completely empty. I don't know why. You can see here it will be show me you can just delete. I will be make the code, I will be make sure that I will be push the code on GitHub, but I'm not able to. And I think it will be not save that, and I will be turn off my PC, and that's why the entire file will be get deleted. Okay, let's just, it's okay. What we can do, we are building this application from the scratch, and we are using the new tech stack. By the time I will be learn, Firebase is not that much helpful for this particular application, to be very frank, but you can use the Firebase for your other application. Firebase will be come up with an integrated uh, authentication that you can use and build your application more faster and efficient. So without wasting on time, let's just start, and I will be open that folder that, okay, right now I will be get commit, and I hope the commit will be work. And to be very frank, I don't think it will be get to work. Think 4, and okay, there will be a 4. Okay, right now, oh, it's not working, it's okay. And okay, let's just go with that, and the same tech stack we are using. I'll be just open my Copilot and make sure that I will be delete this chart also. I will be create one more in the history. I will be delete this and shift my Copilot. Oh, how should we get this? We can completely delete the entire application. Nah. Move to trash, and yes, shift this into agent mode, change to 3.7. Oh, 3.5 is good enough, and let's just start with that. And by the way, we are using, let me share you the tech stack. We are using the Neon DB for our database. It come up with the 5 GB, and lots of things you can get, data transfer, 5 GB project you can, and it's free, by the way. So we are using Neon Tech also we are using Google Cloud Console for our API keys, and it's free, by the way. You just need to verify your credit card and you're good to go. So okay, where is my OBS? Okay, everything is fine, I think, and we are good to go. So let's just start the prompt. Hey, I want to build the attendance taking application in the React Native Expo. I have already created the basic Expo project. In this application, I will be make sure that my prompt is more efficient and easy to understand. I will be giving some examples that AI can understand, and they are able to generate a good application and that can handle the multiple requests at the same time. So in this application, there are two types of login are available. The first one is teacher login, and second is for the student login. Guys, we are not yet created the our basic Expo project, so we will be make sure that we have to create before we are pressing the enter, and make sure that student is not able to log in as a teacher I will provide you one list of teachers and the the password will be same for the each teacher. And in the student login, okay, so teacher just need to enter the name. Okay, we will be make sure that we can save the teacher time and as well as the student. Teacher just need to select the name and enter the password, and he will be login as an teacher. In the student login, by the way, teacher are not get registered, so student are not able to register as a teacher also, so we can manage that. And in the student login, ask this field to fill by the student. Name, okay, we are make sure that we are using login, username and password. In the register page, ask this field to fill name of the student, email of the student, else password, and roll number, department, year, PRN, SAP ID, and I don't think we will be required much more than that. This field is required. Oh, there will be one more thing. SAP ID, phone number. This field is required to fill by the student. And okay, the prompt is, by the way, prompt is so big, so you will be make sure that you can type with me, and make sure that teacher will be not get registered. Teacher are not able to register. And after that, save this information in the database and make sure that the fake account is not get access this application. So each and everything by the student are stored in. So मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ, basically we can do the one thing, we can make the two different databases for the each student, just like if I go to Excel draw, and suppose this is our storage. In this storage we will be store the student name, student student roll number, student PRN, student email, student password, or department and year, and phone number and other things. So this cut student login info. This is for the student login information database, and we will be make one more database because in the Neon Tech we have to create two different database at the same time. Two different 10. Basically, there are the 10 maximum free database that you will be created. So we will be provide that also. And in this, by the way, both database are so important. So you need to careful in this thing. And in the second database we will be store we will be make different department just like mechanical, computer, electrical, IT, and civil. There will be a much more, but we are just taking example. And in this department there are different years are also get first year, second year, third year, and fourth year. Okay, first, second, third, fourth. I will be give the name. Okay, not here. Department and year. So okay, this is I will be made a mistake. So this is our year and this is our departments. Okay. So using this technique, if the student is belong to the mechanical third year, it will be go to the mechanical department and third year. So all students that are while the register store the department as a mechanical, first they will be sort out here. Our database is not activated. Only this part of been get used. And after selecting the third year, they will be go to the third column of the database and they will be stored at this time. But whenever the teacher will be created the session by time for the mechanical third year, so only this particular section will be get activated and our other database is free to use for the another teachers because in the college there are different departments and different years. So we have different teachers also to activate that, because while the college time there are bunch of lectures happening and we want our database free to accept any request and post any kind of request. So that's why we are making two different databases. I hope you will be get clear. Store in the so each and everything fake account is not get access. So each and everything is stored in the database. I am using the Neon Postgres database. You don't have to worry about that if you don't know about the Postgres and Neon Tech. You just need to understand it's free. Okay? Database. This is in this application we are using the two different database. First one is for the, and if we use a two different database, it will be manageable application and good application. By the way, all these things because in the college there are certain time, at that time every teacher will taking the attendance and every student mark their attendance. So we will be make sure that our database, our server will not go down at that time, because at that time it will be get go down. So it will be approximately take 1 to 2 hours to restart and reboot. And in the every college there will be 1 hour for the one lecture. So application is not that much feasible and easy to use and progressible. So that's why we are using, because what happen whenever some student is get login, then this database will be get shut down for the while, and only this database will be get activated, and in this database there are certain cells are going to be get activated. I don't know how we can create this cells in the database. We need to write some queries, and after that we need to sort out, we need to add the filters to do that. So let's just go and do this. And we will make sure that we will be exactly sort out what we have to build, so it will be not created and chaos. Okay. Okay, we need to write some Postgres filters that are going to be get added. So if you see the compute power of Postgres, there will be a 191 hours, and there 5 GB of storage and 5 GB data, 0.5 GB, not exactly 5 GB, and 5 GB of data transfer. That is good enough for single institution. Okay. First one is for the student and the teacher, login and register information saving, and the second one is, and the second is for the student and teacher attendance session storage. So हम लोग क्या ना right now use the first database. I will be paste the database URL for connection. So let's just go create project. Okay, where is my screen? Okay, it's here. Application name, attendance or login info, and Postgres version 17. Database name, login info, and you can use any one of those. AWS, it will be select automatically. Okay, and connect to your database, import your data, integrate Neon with your AI tools, get sample data, or there will be a one branch. Which branch? Connect. I will be connect main. Okay, so we will go here. Can I rename this? Okay, attendance. I will be just make attendance and project update, and here I am open my dashboard. If you connect the login, ठीक है, and connection policy, role login info owner role. Okay, ठीक है. This is just copy. This is the connection URL. In this database, store all the user login and register info. Okay, after that, okay, there will be a biggest prompt that I have ever write. I don't think it will be get biggest. Just a second. It's an Okay, we are good to go. After that, we can build the architecture, the main architecture, the main system that we have to build it. Okay, after that I will tell you the main application feature that I want. Press enter. uh, we are not. Oh, we don't want to do that. Okay, this is the second time this thing is happening with me. I will be copy that, create one chat, paste it here. Accidentally I will be press the enter, and in the history I will be delete this. The main application. First, teacher need to log in by their credentials, by their credentials. I don't know spelling is right or not, but it will get understand by AI. Okay, we can trust the AI. Credentials. If the teacher is verified, then it will be access the teacher side of the application. In the teacher side, I want attendance taking teacher. In that, teacher need to fill some info, just like attendance for uh, which department, which year also, subject, room number, who is teacher. In the who is teacher just like the name. And the main motive of this application, we want to reduce the time of attendance. That's why if the okay, we don't do that because it will hardly take an half minute to complete this. ठीक है? मैं क्या सो department, which year, subject, room number, who is teacher, just next to select, and one button for start. After that, according to the teacher info, the attendance session will be created. I want teacher like if the teacher will be created the attendance session for the mechanical branch and third year student, then only the students that are in the mechanical branch are able to see that and able to mark their attendance. Other department students are not able to see and not able to mark their attendance. Okay. After rating the session by the teacher will be see the all student lists that are list according to the branch and year selection according ठीक है according to the department. मैं department कर देता हूँ because branch मैंने कभी यूज नहीं किया. Department and year selection. Okay. And those students are marked their attendance, their background is get green, and those who mark their attendance, those are not, their background is get red. And this attendance, I will be get more specify here. This attendance session is only for the 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, 1.5 minutes. I will be getting 1.5. ठीक है. After that, after ending the session, store, अरे ये इधर क्यों आ गया भाई? Store all the data in the database and save this info in the that teacher login, and whenever they log in back, they are able to see that in the future. Okay. In the database, the database will design like this. Make different department. I will be branch, and in that branch make different years and and according to the student register, save that student in that. For the all this info, use this data base. I will provide you URL for connection. So it's time. Create new database called as login info and attendance info. Create attendance info. Basically what I do is I will be go on neon tech and guys ये सब कुछ नहीं करने की कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं लेकिन I don't want to make the chaos and don't want to fail my application at any point. If you see my prompt right now, it will be so huge. Okay, and create one project called as project attendance and in that I will create the two different database. But before student marking their attendance their location. Guys, this is the main anti-proxy system that we are using. I will be see the lots of comment on YouTube ki तुम anti-proxy किससे बनाओगे. So this is the main part and we are using the lots of API key for that. Okay, I will be finish up with my drink. But before student marking their attendance, their location will be get verified. What I am thinking is we can calculate the distance between the student and teacher and our if that is more than automatically mark that student as an subset. And but what happens is in the college there are different floor and if some student is present in the college and not in the class. In that case, our one classroom is 139.99 square meter. So calculate that and make the difference of 10 to 20%. If more than that, mark that student as an absent. Students are not able to change the status. Students are not able to change the status after marking their attendance, but teacher can do that, and those students are secure the less than 75% attendance in the teacher login and student login show that at the end of the month. Oh, there will be one more thing. Oh, we need to see the date and time also, na? Time. And teacher will able to download that in the Excel and PDF format. Make this application. This is the API for the location. Okay, you just need to go to Google Cloud Console and open your console. I will copy that. Type. I will make sure that copy that. Go to the Google Map platform. Maybe later. Just a second. Library. Inside library, map JavaScript API. You can search, and here if you manage. Okay. Basically, what if I go to the credentials and map platform? Library. Just a second, guys. Distance matrix. Go to the Google Cloud Console, API and services, credentials. Inside the credentials, create credential, API key, and create the API key. I am enable the distance metric. API. I seriously don't know which API we are. API key. डिस्टेंस मैट्रिक है हमारे पास, डेटा प्लेटफॉर्म, जियो कोडिंग, जियो लोकेशन, एंड लॉट्स ऑफ वी हैव लॉट ऑफ डिफॉल्ट आल्सो. ठीक है. Put this all key in the env file so it will get secure. But before we are going to hit the enter, let's just create the basic Expo application. Expo develop dev project. How to make Expo application? Create Expo app. Copy this command. Oh. Open my notepad. Paste this. Oh, I need to stop this. Oh, again I need to stop this. What happened with me? Dot slash. I am forgetting to add. How much time we have done? 42 minutes. You can see the 42 minutes. We just need to type the prompt. No one is believing us कि कितना टाइम लगता है prompt type करने में. I hope everything is fine and easy. Oh, we will be forgot to add about the UI. It's so bad. AI will be make so bad UI, to be very frank. You need to hustle a lot for the better UI. You need to shift your model and then it will be work. So I don't know why it will be taking too much time, because of I am doing the stream at the same time my internet speed has been get divided into upload and download. I don't know, because node module folders is being not created yet, so approximately it will be take. Oh, right now it done. Oh, we are not press the enter na, so we will be add this. Make the UI more better so student can easily understand the UI and user make the background. Oh, मैंने एक चीज़ नोटिस की है कि AI will be merge the font and background font color and background color. ठीक है. Make sure that the background color and font color is not get mixed, and make the unique Oh, unique and attractive UI. Think like the UI engineer for the UI part, and for the main application part, like the think like the 10 years experience software engineer. They add the dot, and hope it's worked fine, and press the enter. Those who want to see the prompt, okay, so the prompt is so big. I don't think it will be not that much big, but it's big. It's kind of big. We don't write. Oh, the first response from the AI will give us. It's gonna end. First, let's install. So ये हमको इंस्टॉल करने को बोल रहा है ना. हमने जो है इसकी मैक्सिमम लिमिट रीच कर लिए. इट्स नॉट गेट स्क्रॉल डाउन. ठीक है, इट स्टार्ट वर्किंग. After that, if you guys are notice, then we are not see the continue button yet. ठीक है, मैं जस्ट एकदम दबा दिया तो दबा दिया. Okay, it will be created an env attendance db url postgres. Okay, login db url. Those who are watching, put their name in the chat right now. It's 10:30 approximately. We have done the 1 hour stream, and thank you so much for the last part of this project. 79 views. It's kind of unique. It's a lot. It means a lot. Okay, it's working. Auth context, user type, remove item, async storage. Where is env? User type student, teacher, or null. Database, postgres pool. Could not find. npm I save type pg. We need to run this on our terminal to solve the error. Let's continue by setting up the authentication screen. Will create. I forgot to tell ki write the error free code, but most probably it can. Okay, I don't say anything right now. I don't know how much right code it will be get. Okay, this is our database. I will be just go through that table. If not exist teacher, is serial primary. Password, create table if not the student. Attendance database table. TK attend application. Right now, layout underscore layout. Dark theme, default theme provider, React navigation native. Okay, it's also get green. Just a second, I will go to the washroom break. Guys, let's do one thing. I'm open my Lovable account on my second because I will take the $20 subscription of the Lovable. Okay, Lovable dev, and paste the exact prompt that have been pasted on GitHub Copilot agent mode. I'll be paste this, but okay, Lovable is not able. ChatGPT. Okay, log out. Convert this prompt in. Make this prompt. Okay, not convert. Make this prompt for the website without changing any feature. Also improve that. ठीक है, मैंने इसको कर दिया एंड अभी चैट जीपीटी जो है काम पे लग गया है. ये जो index.tsx फाइल के ऊपर काम कर रहा है. 99% एडिट. चैट जीपीटी ने जो है मुझे प्रॉम्प्ट दे दी है. Okay, the first file will be give us an error. Index file. Where is our index? Okay, this is the file. Expo location. We just need to install that. ठीक है. चैट जीपीटी को प्रॉम्प्ट को जो है मैं कॉपी कर लेता हूँ एंड लवेबल डेव के ऊपर पेस्ट कर देता हूँ. एंड आपने अगर $20 सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं लिया है तो देन इट्स ओके. आई जस्ट वांट टू डू द ट्रायल कि लवेबल इज कैपेबल. एक्सपो लोकेशन हमने ऑलरेडी इसको कर दिया, लेकिन AI will give us an okay, it's still working. We are using VS Code insiders, those who don't know about. ठीक है. And Lovable also the start creating it. In this time we are very specified with our prompt. I can learn by my mistakes, and I don't think we will be forgot to write any feature. We will be straightforward our app. We don't want to waste our time in other features. If this app is working, then we are able to add the different feature by the time. But the motive of right now my motive is to just make an simple and anti-proxy attendance taking application that can help the teacher, and those feature I have been tell the AI, and AI it's good enough to understand. ठीक है, keep कर लेता हूँ मैं इसको. AI will create the 14 files yet, and the Lovable is also get stuck. ठीक है. If you don't have the minimalistic PC, then my request to all of you, don't do that. Don't try it out. And मैं जो stream भी कर रहा हूँ मेरे PC के क्या हाल. Okay, I don't know. SRC component, authentication, registration form. टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, मैंने जो है ये काम लवेबल को पहले भी दे दिया है, लेकिन तब जो है इसने एक वर्किंग कंडीशन के ऊपर ऐप भी बनाई थी जिसका डेमो मैंने आप लोग को दिखाया था। लेकिन वो ऐप जो है जब मैंने मेरे फ्रेंड को कहा कि वो लॉग इन करे एंड मैं एज अ टीचर लॉग इन करूँ, तो वो वर्क नहीं कर रही थी। आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट लेट्स जस्ट गो विद दैट। एंड below the color that you have used in this app, the color are defined in the light and dark mode. There are many other ways to style your app, for example native paint. Okay, Copilot has been working on this problem for a while. It can continue to integrate. You can send a new message to refine continue. Okay, environment. Okay, now let's create the environment.ts file. Probably एंड हम लोग जो है यहाँ पर इसको भी थोड़ा सा देख लेते हैं। ये अभी भी काम कर रहा है एंड ये जो है 101% एक एरर देगा एंड ये जो स्टॉप हो जाएगा एंड आफ्टर दैट वी नीड टू फिक्स, automatically fix, and then we can just see. And by the time this is an sample data na, that I don't want to use the sample data, to be very frank. आज मैंने स्ट्रीम्स चेक भी नहीं की, सीधा शुरू कर दी है। ओके, स्लीप का रिमाइंडर आ रहा है रात को, कौन सा इंस्टॉल एक्सपो फाइल सिस्टम, एक्सपो शेयरिंग, एक्सपो प्रिंट। ठीक है, मैंने QR कोड बेस भी ट्राई किया था, लेकिन QR कोड के अंदर देयर विल बी वन मेजर इशू कि स्टूडेंट क्या करेंगे कि QR कोड को सीधा शेयर कर देंगे एंड अदर पीपल आर मार्क देयर अटेंडेंस, बट वी कैन also do the location tracking, but in that process the lengthy process will come up and take the user time and teacher also, because whenever the student are not complete their attendance, it will be time consuming and teacher don't want that, I don't want that, and server is also get hang because there are continue requests are bombarding each and every second, so the server will be able to do that, and that's why I'm using Postgres and SQL because I want a very straightforward session. ठीक है, सेशन, ठीक है, ये सेशन अभी हमारा आ रहा है। आई थिंक ये जो है इतना एफिशिएंटली काम कर रहा है, मुझे नहीं पता इसके बाद ये ख़राब काम करेगा या फिर नहीं, लेकिन वी कैन राइट द मोस्ट प्रोबेबली वी कैन राइट द लास्ट 2 लाइन ऑफ आवर प्रॉम्प्ट इज़ वेरी helpful for right now. I don't know, in the future he will give me lots of error and I need to invest my more time to solving error than creating this application. But to be very frank, if you have already created the expo and if you go to the Copilot, then Copilot, ठीक है, मैंने बोला था कि एरर देगा एंड इसने जो है टाइम आउट वाला एरर दे दिया है, प्रोजेक्ट बिन यूज एंड वॉन्ट एबल टू एक्वायर लॉक मोर टाइम आउट। ठीक है, जो है बैकग्राउंड में चलते दे रहा है, चलते ही देते। मैं अपनी स्क्रीन फिर से शिफ्ट कर लेता हूँ एंड प्लीज़ मुझे एरर मत देना, ठीक है। डिपार्टमेंट रूम डेट, न्यू डेट सेशन, ठीक है, and right now it start the styling. Text 1 padding, marge bottom render, text align center, space between. Okay, let's just go and dismiss कर लेते हैं इसको एंड ये जो लोड हो रहा है यहाँ पर बिल्ड एरर देगा एंड ट्राई टू फिक्स दिस। सेशन के ऊपर ये जो अभी सेशन हो गया हमारा। डेटाबेस डिज़ाइन कर रहा है क्या? और डेटाबेस वैसा डिज़ाइन करना जैसा मैंने कहा था। अप्लाइंग 100% एडिट्स क्वेरी ऑब्जेक्ट डेटा। ओके, ये अभी क्वेरी रन कर रहा है। Those who are watching till the end, okay, right, not till the end, till here, please hit the like button, because this type of project is not created on YouTube yet. I will be see the face recognition and that particular project, but no one is making this kind of unique project and this kind of tech stack. So if you really build this, then this is one of the best project that can showcase on your resume. You can showcase on your resume and flex. ठीक है? Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Again we have error with lovable, but lovable के गारंटी मैं दे सकता हूँ कि ये जो है at the end of the project he will give me an final output and working project. ठीक है? Not like कि कुछ भी बना के छोड़ दिया and बीच में error दे दिया। जॉइन अटेंडेंस रिकॉर्ड ऑन द, ठीक है, इसने जो SQL के बहुत सारे टेबल्स वगैरह लेके, जो कि मुझे मैनुअली टाइप करने में और दिमाग लड़ाने में बहुत सारा टाइम चला जाता मेरा। अगेन ही विल बी हैव एरर। अगर मैं लवेबल की बात करूँ तो मैंने $20 लिया है एंड आई विल बी हैव 100 prompt that I've been using, but your prompt size is long and then it will be get reduced. अटेंडेंस के अंदर क्या एडिट कर रहा है ये? आई थिंक ये डेटाबेस को अपडेट कर रहा होगा अभी, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली, बिकॉज मैंने इसको कहा है कि ठीक है, ये वही तो रिपीट नहीं कर रहा है ना। वी डोंट वांट टू डू दैट। Okay, let us check the lovable. Again the error. If the lovable is giving me an error constantly, then I can stop that. I don't want to waste my credit. ठीक है, अगेन ये अटेंडेंस के ऊपर ही क्या अप्लाई कर रहा है? ये सोच रहा है, ये मतलब मैंने 3 सोनेट यूज़ कर रहा हूँ मैं, 3.5। ओके 85। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस यार, थैंक यू सो मच। वी वांट टू हिट 500 सब्सक्राइबर। Many people are commenting कि you can copy that project, you can copy it, but bro, to be very frank, I will be copy project, I will be accept that, but after that I will be made the change, and that made the, because what happen in company, you can join the company, suppose And you can first understand their code base, download it, and after that you can make the change. It's just like that. If you copy someone project, you first need to copy that, understand the code base, and then you can able to make the change. If you don't understand the code base, then you are not able to make the change, believe me. Okay, again attendance, again attend. Oh, right now there are bunch of error occurs because of button. Let's just solve. And it's accept. Because of, I think we need to pass this. Oh, it's editing it. It's editing. ठीक है. ठीक है, मैं इसको बंद कर देता हूँ. I don't want to waste my credit, but I will be pay for that. And you can also give the context of your whole code base, find test file and usage, find usage and get result from search wise, VS Code API reference. You can do lots of things by the VS Code insiders. This is different from VS Code and VS Code insiders. You can use both of the same time. If you see, this is working and you mean green. Okay. If I talk about how you can run this application locally for the testing purpose, you need to download Expo Go application, and in that Expo Go application, you just need to scan one QR code. That QR code will be show on here. If you and Expo run, I think npx expo run, most probably this command, Android, or creating native directory. Which directory did he just created? Android ना. Delete कर देता हूँ मैं unwanted trash. npm run Android, npm run Android. ये बार बार इसी फाइल को क्यों एडिट कर रहा है भाई? Okay, sessions files for sorry, my mistake. And that QR code will be show on here na. Right now I don't get it. How should I run this? I don't remember the command that I need to run. Expo run or npm expo run, npx expo run. There is a lot of command that I am run from the morning. So right now I will be get completely confused. लेआउट को ये चेंज कर रहा है थोड़ा सा हमारे. ठीक है, मैं भी थोड़ी देर के लिए शांत रहने वाला हूँ यार. आप बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक सुनो और फॉरवर्ड कर लो चाहे तो थोड़ा सा वीडियो को. इफ़ यू वाचिंग दिस एज एन वीडियो, द मोस्ट प्रोबेबली lots of people watching this as an video. Very less number of people can subscribe and very less number of people of watch this project until the end. And after that we can also try to post it on Play Store and launch this in real world production. Okay. Price right now is also uh, 11 p.m. and it's also working. It's very good thing you will be getting experience by this free tool, and this free tool is by the time it will be get paid. But if you don't use this, my honest and my request to all of you, please use this. This is very powerful. uh so 1 to 2 months ago I will be buy the subscription of Cloud Code, and using that Cloud Code I will be build one AI real related application. It's also awesome, but the GitHub Copilot is right now getting too much good, very good, and better day by day. It will be created 31 file, and you can shift between the two models, but there will be at some point it will be also get stopped and you need to use your own brain. But there are some prompt techniques that you will be get, and you are using that you are able to regenerate and start from there. He will be get stopped. Okay, I'm just a fan of it, to be very frank. Those who don't watch yet, don't hit the subscribe, don't hit the like button, please. We are very close to 300 subscriber. Okay, if you subscribe the any kind of gaming or any kind of other videos, then this is much better than subscribe this particular this types of channel. It will be really helpful, and I'm improving my content day by day. Okay. Oh god, right now I install React Native community data date image picker. After a long time it will be get a break and tell me to install one package. Okay, I'll be just check my voice is getting clear or not. Okay, just a second. Validation 18%. I'm just a fan of it. Drop down picker. Okay, why we need this? I think it's working on UI most probably. Okay, I'm just waiting for his finish. I don't know how much time it will be take. If you guys watching this as a video, then go forward and check the output and see any kind of error that have been get stuck. It's 11. Oh, I just remember I will be tweet this na while my networking also gets down. If you don't follow me on Twitter, then you can. I will do one thing. I will be just capture the screenshot. I will just select this and pick this. Open my Twitter, x.com, z.com के बोले तो मैं. Twitter API is the highest paid API that I have been ever seen. Okay, buy crypt. And okay, right now the second pause is here. Copilot has been working on this problem for a while. I will be continue. Oh wow. Why I select the pause? Keep all the code. Continue where? Code base. I'll be the context. Oh, why I do this? Why I do this? Guys, I will be made one tweet. If you want to retweet this, then you can also. Creating the attendance taking application using the VS Code Insider post, and you just okay. ठीक है, यहाँ पर जो है ये don't know how much time it will take. Just a second. सॉरी, नो रिस्पॉन्स वाज रिटर्न. अरे यार मैंने क्यों किया यार ये. I think it will be get reach by its limit and it will be not get work. It will be take too much time to understand the code base. So right now I think it's okay for today's stream, to be very frank, because AI will solve the problem and it's not the point. Working feature, authentication system, login, register for the both student and teacher, and ठीक है. और जो है ये अभी फिर से स्टक होने को शुरू हो चुका है. Why I do that? I don't know. Profile management and taking this man. Let me update the experience screen and show attendance to add helpful information. Okay, so can we stop here? No one is watching. So if any kind of update is happened, I will be make the video and show you on the next stream, and most probably do the stream. Second error is we have. I just press enter, and one single error student is fixed using the Copilot. One problem found, automatically detected. Okay, accept that. So we will be stop here, okay, and you will be get the all code in the description, GitHub, not in the description, okay. So let's just stop here यार, ठीक है, bye bye. मैं जो अभी थोड़ी देर इसको complete करूँगा and then I will be update you guys through the chat or post or in the live stream, ठीक है. I don't know. Bye bye. Just good night.